Hi, Coach. In today's video, I will provide an overview of the invoice feature in CoachVantage. Specifically, I will show you how to view your invoices, manage them, and more. From your dashboard in CoachVantage, go to Invoices on the left-hand side of your screen. CoachVantage makes it a breeze for you to create and track invoices so that you can have more time for your coaching clients. On the Invoices page, you will see the Create New Invoice button, the search bar and lookup function where you can search for an invoice by invoice number or client name, the Export Data to CSV button, the All Invoices tab, the Recurring Series tab, and the Archived Invoices tab. To create a new invoice, simply click this green button. For more information on how to create an invoice in CoachVantage, please refer to the How to Create Invoices article. CoachVantage makes it easy for you to search for an invoice. You have the option of searching by the invoice number, client name, date range where you can select a start and end date, or you can view your invoices by status by selecting the drop-down menu. For example, if you would like to view your overdue invoices only, simply click Overdue to populate the overdue invoices you have. As I mentioned, there is an easy Export Data to CSV button here. This button allows you to easily export all invoice data to your local drive. This file will be readable via Microsoft Excel, OpenOffice, or Google Sheets. When you select All for the status of your invoices, all the invoices will be shown here. You will see the invoice number, client name, invoice date, invoice due date, amount, and status. To manage an invoice, simply select the three-dot button menu, and you will be presented with the options to view details of the invoice, edit the invoice, cancel it, or archive it. If you select the View Details option, this will open more information about the invoice. It is on this page where you can also manually record a payment. To do this, simply click Record Payment here. This is where you can notate the amount they paid you, the date, payment method, and also you can add a note to yourself. This feature is useful if your client makes offline payments, such as cash payments. For more information on this topic, please refer to the article Creating Invoices Without Stripe or PayPal. Additionally, in the View Details section of an invoice, you have the option to print it, resend it, cancel it, archive it, or edit the invoice. The Edit button allows you to edit your invoice by bringing up the Edit window. Here, you can make the desired changes to the invoice and then press Save Changes. Going back now to the View Details page, from this window, you can also cancel an invoice. A pop-up window will appear that will ask you if you would like to proceed. Press Proceed if you would like to cancel the invoice. You can also archive an invoice by clicking here. A pop-up window will appear to make sure you would like to archive this invoice. Please note that it is not possible to permanently delete or remove invoices from your CoachVantage account once a payment has been made. Instead, you may archive invoices so that they are no longer visible in your All Invoices tab. Lastly, when we go back and view all of the invoices, you can delete an invoice by checking this box and then pressing Delete Invoice. A pop-up window will appear to make sure you would like to delete it. Now that we have reviewed the All Invoices tab, let's now take a look at the Recurring Series tab, or Recurring Invoices in CoachVantage. On this tab, you will be able to view the client name, frequency of the invoice, next invoice date, amount, remaining invoices, and status. You can further manage a recurring invoice by clicking the three-dot button menu on the right-hand side of your screen. You will be presented with the options to edit the invoice, cancel it, or view details. Clicking on the View Details option will give you more information regarding that specific invoice, including the dates of the past invoices sent. Selecting the Edit button will allow you to edit this recurring invoice. Lastly, you can also cancel the invoice by clicking Cancel. A pop-up window will appear to make sure that you'd like to proceed. Now, the last section of your invoices page that we will review is your archived invoices. This is where the invoices you have archived can be found. Here, you can view the invoice number, client name, invoice date, invoice due date, amount, and status. To manage an archived invoice, simply select the three-dot button, and you will be presented with the options to view details, edit the invoice, cancel it, or unarchive this invoice. Clicking Unarchive will simply move this invoice back to your All Invoices tab. As an example, when I select Unarchive, and then I press Proceed, and I go back to the All Invoices tab, I can see here that the Atlas Winchester invoice is now back in the All Invoices tab. And that is all you need to know about the Invoices feature in CoachVantage. Thank you for watching this video. If you have questions, please reach out to us. Happy coaching!